Hey, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Today we are showing off our, actually 20%. This is a new formula. We have two of them right now that are being lined up for a new form of fixed frame projection screens for Nano. Keep in mind, this is our Eclipse Black Silver Nano. This is an amazing screen. Now keep in mind, you're probably looking at it thinking the screen is black. No, actually it's a very, very dark gray. So let me show you something really quick. I'm gonna come over here and I'm going to grab a black Nano sample sheet and put it in front of the screen so you can see that the screen is actually a form of we call it black silver. Now keep in mind, like I said, without that sample sheet of black Nano against it, you would think the screen was black, but it's not actually black. It's actually a very, very dark gray, and the name we gave the screen was actually Eclipse Black Silver Nano. All right, so the screen pretty much has amazing contrast levels, and has amazing white levels, and the colors just pop and explode off. This screen looks absolutely incredible. Now keep in mind, this will not be a screen paint. It'll be only designed for a fixed frame projection screen only, and maybe a motorized screen. We're not sure yet. Now the larger screen you're seeing is my Eclipse Platinum Slate Nano. But this whole screen right here will be changed over to this technology right here, which I can't wait to get ready to get started on. I might just paint this sucker today. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna do it, but I don't know when. I'm thinking about it, man. I'm thinking about it. But anyway, let me show you the demonstration so far, okay? Because right now I'm thinking about it right now. I'm itching to do it now, okay? So let's begin. First of all, my projector is sitting. My living room is around 14 feet back. So we're 14 feet back. We're using a full 80p ViewSonic projector at 3300 lumens in my fully lit environment living room. All right, so first things first, let's remove this. What's blocking the video, and let's begin, and you'll get a chance to see the amazing color enhancement technology of this screen. It's going to look incredible. I cannot wait to recoat over my platinum slate with this black silver. All right, so let's begin. Now, of course, white levels are going to be a little higher when it comes to a lighter screen versus a darker screen. Still, the white levels are still amazing. Look how much of the picture quality just pulls out from the screen. Okay, I messed up right there. I just really like this new technology. I'm going to be adding this very soon to my larger screen. So still a lot more work to go. Like I said, I cannot wait. This is actually done at 100%, so it's done. The gold screen is still in research and development. Still a lot of work that has to go on with that particular form of technology. Okay, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Like I said, I'm the only one that's going to have this in a screen paint form because, of course, I invented it. But as for the formula itself, it will be available in a new fixed frame kind of style screen. Sorry, my recorder went back a bit there. Yes, this is using a form of color enhancement technology. Watch the blues on this technology. Go back a little bit more. Start that video a little earlier. Sorry about that, kind of going through my camera really quick on my cell phone. Okay, let's grab one more. Going through my videos really quick. There we go. My battery dying. Just showing you the advancements of the technology. Let's grab one more. And that's the advancements in blues on this technology. The blues on this screen are freaking incredible. Okay, before I run out of time on my camera, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal H Technology Screens using smart technology gain. Thank you all for your time. Just for a minute, I'm just going to open up my windows a little bit here. Alright, so you can see the enhancement in the technology even with the window open. The screen just looks absolutely incredible. Apologize for my squeaky floor. I cannot wait to do my screen in this technology. Alright, thank you all again for your